Hello, in front of me I've got Redmi 12R. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter password and security. Go to screen lock, unlock it with your current password, and as you can see right here we've got three types of passwords: pattern, pin and password. Firstly, let's select turn off screen lock. And now let's start with password. Set your new password. It has to contain at least 4 characters. Now let's use it to unlock the phone. Next, let's select PIN number, and to create it, enter 4 to 16 numbers. Next, let's select pattern, and to create it, connect at least 4 dots. Now, let's start with the first biometric, which is fingerprint unlock. Scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the power button. Tap the power button multiple times and each time try to adjust the position of your fingerprint. Tap done and unlock your phone via fingerprint. Now go back, enter face unlock, tap start, and now scan your face via front camera. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's basically it for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.